Howdy, howdy, all you finger pickers. We've got a great song here. This is a song written by Ian Tyson back in the 1960s. And Ian and Sylvia recorded it in an album, their second album, 1963 or 4. And this song's been recorded by many, including in country field Bobby Bear and so many others in the folk country genre. Neil Young did a version of it also, often plays it in concerts. It's called Four Strong Winds, classic. Bluegrass people have done it, the Country Gentlemen, Tony Rice. So it's an old favorite, and it's still going strong after all these years. I've got it here in the key of C, standard tuning. I've got the tab right here. I'll show this full tab at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Key of C, but we go to, after C, we go to a D minor, but really it's a D minor 7. So it's like an F chord, but leaving the 4th string open. So here's an F, here's the D minor 7, open 4th. Because we need that C note as part of the melody. An accompaniment, a person accompanying, like on a guitar or other instrument, can play D minor, it's fine. Whenever there's a number after a chord, like D minor 7, it's okay to skip the 7 part. You can always cross that out and just play the full, just the regular D minor. Same with G7, any 7 or 9th chord. The extra note 7th is a C note, and it gives it another flavor, really. Playing a D minor, if you're accompanying this, 4 strong winds that blow lonely, right? Lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change. But what if I played the D minor 7 song? It goes, all those things that don't change. Works. There's a come what, see, there's that C note, what may, you'll see that in the tab. 1st fret, 2nd string. Other things about this tab is I'm using a lot of what some people think is instead of blocking it all the time, I'm pinching, in other words, a bass string and a treble string together. And then I'm walking between notes. Hit it again. On a stream, winds that blow. So that's a little feature. I do it a few times in this arrangement. What else is tricky? Nothing really. Just that D minor 7 is maybe something you're not used to. On the third line of the tab, third measure, we're going to a D minor again. But this time I'm not fretting the first fret, second string. I'm fretting the third fret, second string. And you'll see that in the tab, and I've got ring finger on the fourth string, third fret, instead of the open D fourth string that we've had earlier. We're now doing the F and the D together. And then we let it off. So instead of it's kind of an alternating bass, but when we go back to the fourth string, we take a ring finger off to get it open. Oh yeah. This part. You go to another D, it's in the fourth line of the second measure, another D minor, but now it's a full D minor. Regular D minor. And then the next measure we go to F chord. It's the only F chord in this song. Now, our bass, our thumb bass note is first, it's an F, fourth string, third fret. And then the second one, see I'm moving my ring finger from the fourth string to the fifth string because I want that C bass note next. Now we've got a fourth string third fret and a third string second fret right away. So since I'm here with the ring finger, I put my pinky down on the fourth string third fret to get that. Right? That's how I get the melody, and changing the bass up a bit, just like we did on D minor. Third fret fourth, open fourth. Here on the F we go third fret fourth, third fret fifth, just to change the bass up. Just remember, now this is a common formation with the double bass. You do it on you'll learn it on a C chord if you haven't already. This double pinky and ring finger like that. So you do it on an F chord a lot and a C chord quite often. And it's handy because you don't have to go back and forth. It's handy to know. So if you already know that, use it for that measure. If you don't, you'll have to go at regular F and then move it. Got it? So there's 4 strong winds. Okay, I'm gonna show this tab for about, I don't know, 6-7 seconds. So the idea is to scan it and copy it, and then you can follow along. This will be on YouTube. You can slow the whole thing down to half speed, quarter speed. And if you have the tab in front of you, you can follow the notes. The notes, you'll hear the notes. It'll go to your mind. Your mind grasps it, and after you start practicing it, it goes from your mind to your fingers, and that's how we learn. Tab to mind, hearing it to fingers. Good luck. Thanks. See you later. Oh yeah.